deadlock, we have reached video 3. In video 3, we will discuss about the cause of deadlock. So what causes deadlock to happen in an operating system? Here there are 3. Let's discuss them one by one. Mutual exclusion, we have discussed in the first video that mutual exclusion is the cause of deadlock, meaning that if there are no mutual exclusion, deadlock could not happen. The second cause of deadlock is hold and wait. You have also learned this from the previous video that if a process is holding a resource and it is requesting another resource, this can cause deadlock. So if a process only requests a resource without holding any other resource, deadlock could not happen. And the last one is no preemption. What is preemption? Preemption is no other interrupt. So if a process is running, it can leave the process by escaping from the process. That is called preemption. So if there are no preemption, that is also a cause of deadlock. So the 3 previous conditions are only to make deadlock possible, but the certain thing that makes deadlock happen is the circular wait, which we have also discussed in the previous video. The circular wait is when a process is holding a resource, but it is requesting for another resource. This is blocked because the resource requested is held by another process, which is also requesting the process that is held by process 1. So this is a circular wait. This is circular wait. So when deadlock happens, what should we do? There are 3 ways of dealing with deadlock. The first way is to prevent deadlock from happening. The second way is to avoid the deadlock, and the third one is to detect the deadlock. The difference between these 3 is that deadlock prevention is done in the step of design. So when we are designing our operating systems and process, we prevent deadlock happening by eliminating the 3 causes mentioned earlier, and plus 1 plus the 4th one. And deadlock avoidance is done not when the design is made, but when the process is being executed. So it is done in execution, and this is dealt by doing the banker's algorithm, which we will discuss later in the next videos. So that is the end of our third video. In this third video, we have discussed that there are 3 causes of deadlock. The first one is mutual exclusion. The second one is hold and wait. The third one is no preemption, and there's a fourth cause, which is circular wait, which if it happens, deadlock is certainly to occur. And then there are also 3 solutions to deadlock. The first one is called deadlock prevention, that we will discuss in the next video. Thank you for your attention.